Jamaica Watch
Station
This
was among multiple sites visited by the Prime Minister across Manchester and Trelawney on Friday. In Manchester, he got a sobering reminder of the scale of the damage and the rebuilding job ahead for key institutions. The Homo Technical High School, for instance, is unlikely to see physical classes anytime soon. The damage to the campus, extensive. Roofs ripped off, multiple buildings. Residents and farmers of surrounding communities also in need.
Whatever we have, we can balance out with, we want it. What you have can help, we need it.
In neighboring Trelawney, more destruction. From hundreds of feet in the air, the obvious is even clearer. Melissa did its worst to Falmouth.
There is no community that I have gone to so far that has not been totally devastated. I have no idea how we're going to pick up these pieces at this time.
The hospital was hard hit. Sheets of zinc folded like the linen used on hospital beds. The Prime Minister says a different method will be explored in rebuilding.